Okay, we're going to write in our solfege for Carol the Bells, measure 21 to 36. So make sure you have your Carol the Bells ready. I'm going to start with the soprano 1 line at measure 21. Soprano 1s, you'll start at the very, very highest note you have. So I look at my cheat sheet. If you don't have this cheat sheet, copy it down right now. I look at my cheat sheet. The very highest note on here is a La. So I make sure that I write La. And it repeats that note twice. La, La. And then it goes down just one from La, so I know that the one right below La is So. Or I can look at this, it's on the top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm on So. Then it goes down to the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's Fa. Hopefully you're still with me. I'm going to keep on going. On the word while here, measure 22, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on Mi. And then it stays on that. Mi, Mi. It goes down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Re, and I go down from Re to Do. So the soprano line should be La, 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 So, Fa, Mi, 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 Re, Do. I'm going to turn the page to measure 23. And then it goes up from that last Do. I go to the third space, and it's Re, 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 and I go back up to the Mi, Re, but then it jumps. It doesn't go to Do, it's the second line, so I go to the second line, and I'm back on La, 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 La. So sopranos, you go from a high La, and then you end on the low La at measure 24. Now, here's where it gets kind of hard and tricky because we have some extra notes that are not on your solfege key. Sopranos, at measure 25, you start on a Mi, really low, way down there. But then there's this weird symbol right here, and it's on this line, and it's called a natural. And what that natural does is it cancels out the flat in this key signature. And so it makes this Fa, that's right here on the same line, into a Fi, F-I. Make sure you write F-I, because it's not Fa, it's Fi. The Fa, you see my thumb, and Fi. Okay? The next one has a sharp in front of it on that first space. So it looks like this. Well, that's a So. It changes So to Si. And then I keep going. I have the next line right here. I'm back at my La, 1, 2. That's a normal one. La, Ti, and then I go up, 1, 2, 3, Do. So you should have Mi, Fi, Si, La, Ti, Do. And then I go down to measure 26. And then I have this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, sorry. Re, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi, I go back to the Re, and I go back to my Do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The cool thing about measure 27 and 28, it repeats. It's the exact same thing as measure 25 and 26. So all I have to do is write that all over again. La, sorry, not La, Mi, Fi, Si, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Re, Do. And then, once I'm done with that, sopranos, you're home free. At measure 29, all you have to write is Do, Ti, Do, La, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more times. And you're done. So you'll see that Do, Ti, Do, La all the way from measure 29 to measure 36. So sopranos, you are finished. So hopefully you have gotten that. I'm going to go back and do the altos now. Altos, I'm going to go to measure 21. Y'all start out super, super easy. Let me make sure I find it right here. Okay, altos, you are right here. So I have my alto line, and I go all the way over. And then you start on the 1, 2. You start on la. Okay, and then you have la for those next two measures. La, 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 la. Pretty simple, right, altos? And I think you have it on the next ones too. If I turn the page to measure 23, yep, I am right. At measure 23, you stay on that la. La, 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 la. So your first four measures, altos, are pretty easy. Now I go to measure 25. We have the low one way down here. So it should be me. Then I hold it for that whole measure. Me. But then here's where it gets hard for you, altos, at measure 26. Y'all have those same funny notes that they had. In fact, Miss Jones has already written this in. It's a F and a C. It's the same ones that the sopranos had right here. F, C, and then it goes up to La, and then you go back to, and it repeats the exact same thing. From measure 25 and 26 are the same thing as measure 27 and 28. So I write this down. Me, F, C, La. I'm going to go down. There is a note on this next one that is not on our solfege key, so hopefully you're paying attention. Okay, I'll add it way over here. There's a note way down here. What's below me? La, so, fa, mi, re. Okay, right here, altos, we have that mi again, but then it goes down to my re. Re goes back up to so, fa, and then you have one more note when you turn the page at measure 33, and that is the mi right here. And then you hold that for a whole bunch. You hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beats. Hopefully you've done that, and make sure you upload it so we can give you the grade. Thank you.